To clean your keyboard, you are going to need a keyboard. Mechanical or desktop style is preferable, but a laptop style keyboard will also work. Paper towels, rubbing alcohol or almost dry damp paper towels, a flat head screwdriver, a paintbrush, and a clean workspace. Step 1, your workstation. Having a clear and open space to clean keyboard is very important, especially when you start removing pieces. I choose not to, but you can unplug or turn off your keyboard before cleaning it. Whether it is on or off will not affect the integrity of keyboard, but it will lead to some amusing happens on your computer through some of these steps. Step 2, wipe the keyboard down. Before we get into the nit and gritty of cleaning your keyboard, cleaning it of any obvious slips, spills, or debris on the surface is important. Step 3, remove the keys. Not everyone had a mechanical keyboard as shown above, but most desktop keyboard can have their keys removed to be cleaned. Obviously, you don't want to do this with a laptop or laptop style keyboard. So, if that applies to you, don't remove your keys. I will get back to you later. Step 4, keeping the key organized. This should go with saying, but this is not an Xbox controller that you are cleaning. It's very important. It's very easy to mix up or lose keys from a keyboard while cleaning it, so keep them in an organized manner that will be easy for you to put back later. Also be mindful of any additional parts on your keys. For instance, a longer key may have metal spring bar on the bottom as shown above. Step 5, clean the empty space. Now that your keys are removed, you can clean out the debris and if what not that has collected over the keyboard. Use use a combination of paintbrush and a paper towel with some rubbing alcohol or the almost dry damp paper towel to wipe the area clean. If you don't have access to canned air or an air compressor, this would be a great use for that as well. Step 6, clean your keys. No matter how careful you are, your keys will not be very clean, and now that they are out, they are going to show how to clean, how not clean they are. Use rubbing alcohol and a paper towel or a small amount of water to clean them. Don't forget about the sides of keys, they will probably be the dirtiest. Step 7, now that the keys and the space beneath them are clean, you can now replace them. I choose not to unplug my keyboard while I clean it, but this step would be the reason why you might want to. It will take a little bit of force to replace your keys. That is totally normal. If your keys have any special pieces, do those keys first and put the special part in before you put the keys in. Having your phone handy You can see where keys go can also be very helpful. Step 8, cleaning your keys laptop edition. For those with laptop or laptop keys, remove your keys is not really an option, so cleaning around them with a paintbrush damp with rubbing alcohol is best you can do. Obviously, I have a lot of room between my keys, but at a smaller brush or even a toothpick might be more applicable given your keyboard. Take your time going between the rows of key and between the columns. I usually work from top right to bottom and collect the debris collected there at the end. Step 9, clean your cord or connecting devices. Take a damp paper and run it down the length of cord. If it is really dirty, you can run it a couple of times. If you have a laptop, give the overall laptop a good wipe down with rubbing alcohol. Don't use rubbing alcohol on the screen, it will streak like no one's business. And take more Windex that one bottle holds to work those out. Step 10, finalize. Now that you have cleaned your keyboard, you can plug it back in or turn it off. If you turn it off and use it to your heart's content. Thank you.